Currently on the Hostinger checkout screen. After clicking Have a coupon code, I typed in the code and hit apply. As you can see, I instantly saved $62 just from that single code. Here is how you can get the exact same deal. Click the link down in the video description, which will bring you straight to this page. Here, you will see the newest verified Hostinger coupon code. Just hit the copy button, and it will immediately take you over to the official Hostinger website. From here, you can browse through the various hosting options, such as Premium, Business, Unlimited, and Cloud plans. Pick the package that works best for you, regardless of your location. Even if plan details or regional pricing differ slightly, this code will always lock in the maximum savings available. Shared hosting is a type of web hosting where multiple websites reside on a single physical server and share its resources. You can think of it like living in an apartment building, where each resident has their own private space while sharing common amenities. It is the most budget-friendly way to get a website online, as the overall server maintenance costs are split among many users. Hosting providers manage all the back-end server configurations, security updates, and technical maintenance, so you can focus entirely on building your site. This setup is the ideal choice for beginners, bloggers, portfolio creators, and small to medium-sized businesses launching their first online presence. It comes with an intuitive control panel and simple one-click installations for platforms like WordPress, without requiring any technical background. If you expect moderate daily traffic and want an affordable, reliable, and hassle-free start to your web journey, shared hosting is the perfect match. Click the link in my description to get the maximum discount.